Hello, I'm Mrs. Olusoya, a pastor, an administrator, and an infopreneur. Thank you for clicking on this video today. I would like you to subscribe to my channel as I bring to you information that will help you in your day-to-day life. All right, you're welcome to this training. I'm taking you on how to make ebooks using Reedsy. Reedsy is more like a site where you can write. You can see that I tapped it into my search bar. It's opening up already. So that's just what you do. You can use it on your laptop. You can also use it on your phone. So I have already logged in. So please try and register with your Google account or go through the registration process, and you'll be allowed in. So you choose author account. What Reedsy allows you to do is you can write your book online. Like you can keep updating your book every day, and you just give an editor the access to the book to edit. So there are freelancers on the group who can help you to edit at a token. Okay, so once you click on those three lines, click on my books. If you have a new book you want to put it in here. Just click here and click select from computer. You choose wherever the book is. Then for me, I'm not going to do that. I'm opening a book I have already imported. Okay, so now we are moving on it. I want the video to be as short as possible. It's very easy to use. When you come here to the three lines, you can see the chapters I've already created. So let me just show you how to create a chapter. Moving to my last chapter, chapter 14. I want to show you something there. Okay, so if I want to split this into another chapter, this is what you do. You come in here and click the three lines. Okay, but before you click it, you can hold on this, copy it. Okay, cut. Sorry, measuring spiritual growth. That's the topic. So you come here, split chapter. So I'm going to click here. That's where I want to split. All right. Measuring. That's the title of the chapter. Confirm. It automatically splits it into another what's the name? Another chapter. So we should see it now. That's if the network is good enough. All right, so that's that. So here I can bold in it. Select and click B, depending on what you want. Okay, so let me split one more for you so that you can see. Got it. Split chapter. All right, looking for where I want to split. Confirm. Paste. Confirm. So that's how to create new chapters. So you can go on and on like that. I've showed you how to create chapter 15 and chapter 16. So you come on here, you can scroll down, you see front matter. When you click on edit, just beside front matter, click on edit, just beside the front matter, you see dedication page. If you want it on, click it, make it on. So for me, I don't want all of that. I just want my table of content. Then also your table of content, there is a way you can set it. If it has sub-headings, you can click on heading one, like you want it to show chapter title, or you want to show heading 1, heading 2, depending on what you have selected earlier. I'm going to show you where you do that selection now. So going back to your chapter. All right, so once it's on, it will set that. Also, you can come here and work on your copyright. You can put in the name of the author, what edition is it, what's the year of publication, ISBN, that's if you have, publisher logo, follow through. Another advantage of this is that it saves automatically. So follow through. If it's dedication, you can easily copy your put in your dedication there. You can write it in there. So that's not what I want to do. So I'm going to put it off. All right. So now let's move on. The back matter, you click on edit also. So once you click on edit, it should drop for you. You'll be able to see what's in there. About the author. Do you want about the author? Do you want to put books by the author? So about the author, let's click on it. You can add the image of the author and write the bio here. Also, as the author written other books earlier, put in the image of the book, the title of the book, and a little briefing about the book. Okay? So it saves automatically. You don't need to click save anyway. I don't want all of that for the now. So what do? It's more like I'm done with my book. But I said I wanted to show you something earlier. If you want to make anything a subheading, what you need to do is that you click on the chapter where you have subheadings. Probably if assignment is supposed to be like a subheading, you make it H. You click on H1. I believe you can see it here. So it makes it a subheading which flows into your what's the name automatically, your table of content automatically. So that's that. So that's how to create your book. Once you are done, you can export the book. Export. It will ask you if you want the chapter 1 to reflect chapter 2, all those chapter numbers to reflect. It will ask you the kind of font you want. It will ask you some little details. Then you can export. So when you click on export, what happens is you wait for it for a while before you're able to export it fully. So it tries to typeset the whole book. So you will see something like that. I just hope that the network will be fast enough. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for joining me. See you. Bye.